Let's just go over installing Sublime. And in case you already have it installed, you want to remove it from your applications if you're on a Mac. So I'll just throw that out, empty my trash. And you have to go to the folder where it was installed under Go. And I have my recent folder, application support. Now you could search for this on your computer, but it's going to be under your username, your user, library, application support. So that's how you could track it down. Look for Sublime Text, and that has everything that was installed, all the packages. I'm going to select this and also throw it out and empty my trash. Next, pick the version to download, Mac OS. Once it's finished downloading, open that zip. And I'm going to place within the applications folder, just like it was before. So drag it here. Double click. Give it permission to be used. And the next part is to install package control. The instructions say, open tool menu, or on a Mac, Command-Shift-P. On a PC, it should be Control-Shift-P. If you're using a work computer, maybe you're locked out from all this, then you have to see your IT person or whoever owns the account. But if it's your own personal computer, this should work. So, Tools, open Tools, install packages, or Command-Shift-P. So, Tools, install package control, and that will automatically install it, or Command-Shift-T, and then typing in install package control. Once it's installed, to install a new package, you could go under Sublime Text, Settings, Package Control to launch it, and this also shows that it was installed, or Command-Shift-P again will allow you to launch a package control. And then you type in install package, giving it a command, what action to take. And then a list of packages come up. And then you could pick from the various packages under browser. You could try browser integration, browser refresh. I think I'm going to use browser refresh. Save the file you are working on and refresh the browser in one keystroke. Who wouldn't want that? So browser refresh. I move my arrow down to here and I'm pressing enter. So here it tells you which keys will refresh it. Super Shift plus R, Command Shift plus R. Let me make a new file. And this is going to be an index file. So file, save as, going to overwrite my previous test file. And even though I click on it with index.html, make sure you add in that .html at the end. Save. Sure, replace it. To make a bare bones template of HTML, less than sign HTML, and then press enter. Hello there. I'm saving it, Command S. I'm saving it. And then let's look at our settings. Package control, settings. So Sublime Text, settings, package settings, browser refresh, key binding user. So the default key binding is Command Shift in the argument. So Command Shift R. And I'm going to change this for the user to be Command Shift S. So every time I save, it's going to refresh the browser. So Sublime Text, settings, browser refresh, key bindings user. And let me copy everything that's here. Command C for copy. And paste it here. Instead of the R, S. So every time I save it, it's going to refresh the browser, saving it. Getting back here. So right-click, open a browser. And let me go to Sublime. I'll put in a few exclamation points, saving it. Command-Shift-S. So instead of a Command-Shift-S, let me just do a regular save. That was my bad. So settings, package settings, browser refresh, user binding, and let me get rid of that. Oh, every time I save my file, save this, Command-S. Every time I save my file, updates will be made. And then I don't have to have these open anymore. That's just for setup. Welcome to Sublime. Command-S. This should work for you. Leave me a comment if it doesn't.